I think flex has given flexibility a whole new meaning, to be very honest with you. We touched upon the aspirational value. You talked about how companies today have that option to customize, which wasn't there earlier. And that itself is a disruption over the last 5 years.
Yes.
So, I mean, if we were to sit here and think of what the next 5 to 7 years would be, there's a lot that could change. Right? There's a lot of
And we never thought these large players will get into the flex model.
never.
They all Google stuff, they were Amazon. They are getting into flex.
Absolutely. That's another good point you made. Today, the standard fit out period that most corporates expect is, say, anywhere between 60 and 90. Everything has to be done immediately. Fit out, immediately finish your design. I want to fit out, I want my office, I want to go live in 3 months. But if they want to do it themselves, there are so many companies that have such long drawn policies when it comes to vendor finalization, when it comes to VOQs, when it comes to procurement, going a certain RFP for certain tenders. It's not easy to just finish everything in 60 to 90 days. What do you do then? Business says, give me the space. I need to go live 1,000 seats in 2 months. As of yesterday, yes, absolutely. So what do you do in that scenario? I mean, you can't do it. Your GAPTU policy doesn't allow it. Business is forcing you and saying, hey, this is what. And I think that is a revolution.
There's another problem with the largest firm. Especially one is tax. Another one is that approval to get the capex approved. They have to rely on that, and that's the only route that you go capex free.
Absolutely. I think, yes, I think those are actually two different things and two extremely very important things. One is the capex part of it to get that approval, like Mr. Giri was saying from your CFO. At the end of the day, he has to approve everything. That is one aspect of it. So that's a separate chain of approvals. And then on the other side, your projects, procurement working together to deliver a certain, go live date for the business team. Those three teams working together in tandem. I mean, all your problems are resolved by this one segment just entering the market, creating that disruption, making life so much more easier for everybody involved. I think that's a fantastic evolution of where it was and where it is today.
And I think he also touched upon on terms of you have the flexibility, can scale up, scale down with the same operator. And today I think things have also changed. If you are tied up with one operator in one city, whichever city you're going, you still can keep going around with the same. No contract sales.
You don't have to worry about, I need space in Patna today for a company. They need, quickly sales. But you don't have to worry about going there, getting somebody deployed with the right partner, with the right, framework, with the right business plan. You can practically take space anywhere you want, because now.
And this is not only in that chaotic. So post-COVID, we stuck it's so work